He's been a mortician for many's a year, with tons of ambition and showing no fear. And now David's vision is almost in reach, when he lands the Boeing on Enniscrone Beach. There'll be taxis and buses, a teapot, a train, but the jewel in this crown is the aeroplane. They said no way, never, no way, never, no more will McGowan set that Boeing on Enniscrone Shore. It's been all of the talk for many months past, from Tallaght, Toronto and Sheridan's Kilglass. The locals are buzzing, Sligo's in a flap. For McGowan he has put Enniscrone on the map. And there's no way, never, no way, never, no will McGowan get that Boeing on the Enniscrone Shore. And now it's upon us, his dreams coming true. Such a crowd out to see it, will you come too? The wait nearly over, we soon can go camping in this wonderful vision, quirky night glamping. We'll say yes, yes, forever, yes, forever.